Hello boys and girls, and welcome back to another episode. In this episode I want to introduce my new toy, my lifting platform, and it will also be a small in-between project because as you can see it looks ugly, it is rusty. I'm gonna do some work on it, and the reason why I bought it because I'm planning to isolate the whole house and I have to maintain the house. Those boxes, those wooden boxes, they are all rotten and I need to paint them, maybe replace it, and it is very hard to reach there. The first I wanted to rent this platform to do some small maintenance. I don't like renting, it is more comfortable to own one. Then I came across one video when I saw the jerry rig everything, bought this platform from his underground bunker, so he needed some lifting. Then I thought, oh, not a bad idea. So I went to the marketplace and they're actually quite expensive. And I came across this one, the price was okay. The regional traction lead acid batteries are dead, but I don't care because I will be putting into the lithium batteries and it is working on 24 volts. Everything is hydraulic. And the second purpose of using it, maybe I will see. Maybe I'll be using this as a house lift from outside to the first floor, maybe the second floor. But of course, in the future, it needs to be well decorated to look nice, not just ugly like this. This platform is quite big. It goes up to 8 meters because usually smaller ones are going only up to 6 meters. And I wanted to have 8 meter high because the 6 meter is too low for me for that house. Weighs 2 tons. It is an old one. It is in working condition, but it is driving only in one direction. So I figured out that you can just switch the wires into the valves, then you can switch the direction. I need to check the wiring. It is working on the 24 volts and it doesn't have any electronic, just the wiring, switches, contactors, electronic valves, and etc. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you now, and this is the remote control. I need to put the wire here. This is broken, so I bought another box. So I bought another box and I need to replace all this. And here as well, I'm gonna try to open it. It looks ugly here, but with a bit of sanding and painting, it will be like a new again because this is the thick bare metal and this is the oil reservoir. And here is the electric motor. This is the electric pump and these are the batteries. And here from this side, this is the box that I will replace as well. I need to replace 2 hoses because they're leaking. It doesn't look nice, but it will be nice. And now I'm going to show you the batteries. These are 4 lead acid traction batteries. And this is a 6 volt 240 amps and 4 of them, they are 24 volts, they are dead. And I will replace these batteries with this one. As I can show you, all of these batteries can be replaced only with this one NCM module because this is a 24 volt module. Capacity is around 125 amp hour and this is 240. This is doubled, but the higher loads, only half of the capacity is usable. That means that only 120 amp hour is usable. I was measuring the electric motor is drawing around 130 amp. This is around 3 kilowatt of power. So now I'm gonna put 2 batteries in the middle. One is here. One module is enough, but I will put the 2 modules. So I made some bus bars here, so I will be connecting them into the parallel. This is the minus. So I made the 2 modules connected in parallel. This is now the 24 volts. And from this side, the battery should be here, but I need to cut it all. And then I need to make the box for the battery, the BMS and everything. And then to this side, I can close only up to here. And now first I need to switch the remote control. It's going like this. And now I need to turn the ignition switch. Now it is on. Now I have to see the direction. This is direction and this is now this is back and forth and this is up and down. and this side is not working because I need to switch the wires. I'm really scared to go further. And now you can see I can reach here. This is okay, but this is quite high. But even though this is the wide angle lens, but it is high and unstable, so I'm gonna go down now. But I went only 6.5 meters approximately. It could go up to 8 meters. I'm not afraid of height, but I didn't feel comfortable because it is moving like this, because I'm not used to it. You don't feel any solid support, but it has a 2-ton and it should be fine. And now I need to move it from here to be able down there to wash it and clean it and all the things like this. And now I will disassemble all the upper parts of this cage because I have some unexpected guests. Whoa, what a nest. They are now ready for takeoff. I think is enough. Oh, there is a lot of nests here. This part is also going out, so you can I will remove now the endpoints. It is so hot in here that my main camera is overheating. And this is it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and see you all in the next one.